Major cold is the last solar term in winter and the annual lunar calendar. In this period, icy cold weather and snow exert a big influence on people's lives. During the major cold, the ground is usually covered with ice and snow. However, the cold wind cannot stop people's love for ice and snow. Major cold commences at 4:30 p.m. on January 20, 2023, when the sun reaches 300 degrees of celestial longitude. Major cold literally means the weather is cold to the extreme. At this time, the bitter cold wind sweeps through the landmass. Rivers and lakes are covered with ice, which can be described as freezing. Although everything is frozen during major cold, the earth is warming up quietly. Once the major cold is over, everything is ready for the start of spring. We will usher in a new cycle of 4 seasons. Minor snow witnesses the harvesting of all crops, while major cold sees the collection and storage of all the crops. A few snowfalls during major cold will ensure next year a good harvest of crops, like vegetables, wheat, rice, and cotton, thus enabling farmers to have sufficient materials for making clothes and food. Major cold always coincides with the end of the year in the lunar calendar. When the major cold arrives, it indicates the arrival of the new year. There is a folk saying, "Major cold welcomes the new year." With the advent of major cold, the traditional spring festival is around the corner, and people begin the New Year preparations. People would rush to the New Year's fair, shopping for New Year's goods and clothes, and write Spring Festival couplets. With good wishes of welcoming good luck, people look forward to the arrival of the Spring Festival. In 2023, New Year's Eve will come right after the advent of major cold. As the legend says, there was in ancient times a beast called Nian with long tentacles and sharp fangs. It would come out to eat people and animals every New Year's Eve. When driving away the Nian, people found that the Nian was most scared of the red color and loud noises. Hence, on every New Year's Eve, people would put on red Spring Festival couplets on the gates and doors, and set off firecrackers. And every household is brightly lit. On the second day after driving away the Nian, people would wear new clothes to visit their relatives and friends, to celebrate the new year and wish each other good luck in the new year. As the last solar term of winter comes, spring is on its way. Major cold marks the end of the year as well as the beginning of the new spring. Let's look forward to the new year.